Portuguese Whitework, Bullion Embroidery from Guimarães by Yvette Stanton is 104 full colour pages long. It also has 2 pattern sheets. This style of embroidery, from the town of Guimarães in the north of Portugal, is a mix of both drawn thread work and surface embroidery, with many bullions and lots of eyelets. This book has 10 gorgeous projects. There are clear step-by-step right-handed instructions for each of the stitches, whether drawn thread work or surface embroidery. If you're scared of bullion stitch, then this is actually the perfect book for you, because it teaches you a method of doing bullions that many find highly successful, and you'll get lots of practice. Mary Corbett of needleandthread.com says, Portuguese Whitework is an hospitable book. Yvette welcomes you to the world of Guimarães embroidery, and then through her clear diagrams and comprehensive instruction, she makes you feel right at home with it. A lovely, lovely book by an excellent teacher.